Alright, so I'm here today with a couple of my good workers, Cohen and Wyatt. Cohen's going to be doing some of our camera work today.
Yep.
Today we're looking at a starting problem that we're having in which the starter solenoid has gone bad.
Yep.
And so my guys have been running into starting problems. As you can see, the spark coming off of there. So we'll go ahead and change that out. Ways to test out that you have a bad starter solenoid is you just take a, you could do it with a needle nose pliers. I'm doing here with a Phillips screwdriver, and connect these two. Just kind of hardwire them. If the engine starts turning over, you know that you have a bad solenoid. If the engine does nothing, you know that your solenoid is all good. So as you can see, the engine turns over, so we have a bad solenoid. So that's why we're going to change it out. All right, so first thing you got to do, you got to disconnect the battery. That way you have no power going to it. Okay? All right, so we changed out the old solenoid and put on a new one. We purchased this one here from Lowe's. It's got the same 35 inch-pounds of torque ratio, and it's a 12 volt interval to use here. So we installed the new one in there, and let's see if it works now. Fires right over, no problem. If we wanted to start it up, it right would. But that's how you fix a starter solenoid, and we've changed out about 5 of these over the last couple of years, so it's something pretty typical that goes out for us. So just keep that in mind as we're looking over equipment and if you're running into any starter problems. All right, guys.